Right. So all of you, good morning. So last session I given one assignment. So did you complete it? Anybody? What is that assignment I given? Left side logo, right side menu item. Right? Anybody? If you are completed, very nice. Thank you. Completed. So any other people completed or not? Thank you, Anshuman. You completed. So you completed the assignment, right? With drop down, without drop down. I need drop down also. Left side logo, right side menu with drop down. Will you done that? That's what I need that functionality. See, just I told you normally. So then how do we do this? And that's what exactly the thing you should know. Then first thing, if you want to finish that, you should know the structure properly, Andy. Right? Anybody not done with the drop down, you done with the drop down also. Done without drop down, somebody saying, right? You try to complete with the drop down. No problem. It won't take much time. Copy paste the same code inside of it. Drop down code. It will work. Anybody who want me to explain? So first of all, do you know the structure? How to take the structure for this? If you know the structure, I hope you can do this, Andy. Let me tell you the structure today. So you can try to implement the thing. Okay. What is the structure? How to take the structure, guys? If you can see the structure of this is going to be. Let me remove this menu here. I don't want to tell you the CSS. Okay. I just want to tell you the structure only. For this, how do we do this? You just tell me this is going to be menu logo.html. Okay. Still, the people who are unable, I'm providing one more chance. You do the same thing. I will give the structure. I don't know who completed this assignment. How did you take the structure? Also, I don't know. Please check the structure. The perfect structure I want to tell you. What I told you, we need logo and we need menu, right? So for logo, I'm taking one div for logo. Let us use a class is equal to logo. Inside, download one logo and keep the image here. img src, the image. This is completed. The next one is going to be, you can take a div. You can take a div, no problem. You can take a class is equal to navbar. Of course, take any class, no problem. Inside the navbar, you can keep all these ULLI items. ULLI items. Otherwise, some people in place of this, I use a div, right? They will take the semantic also. We have a nav element. Of course, we can take this nav also, no problem. Anyone. Ultimate goal is what? Whether you finish it that or not, right? This is what exactly inside the nav bar, we have menu, and this is a way that we need to do, guys. Can you check this carefully? What I did here? Can you see the structure? This is the structure. So what is my structure? Header, logo, and nav bar. So, and logo should be left side, nav bar should be right side. So if you want to bring them, you can write display flex. They will become side by side. After that, justify content space between, if you can write it, they will go left side and right side. Left side and right side, they will go automatically. Justify content space between. If you can write it, it will work, guys. It will work this way. Okay, now. So please try to take this structure and try to implement this assignment again. So what are the assignments you are unable to do? Please let me know. Don't be worry and don't be hurried. Some people are doing. We are not able to do means don't worry. So you ask us. If you want, I will explain you the same thing again. So if you're in a classroom, very nice. But maybe from Monday or Tuesday, everybody will come to the classroom as well. Because due to festivals, all the people are traveling to hometowns, right? Okay, no problem. But please try to complete these assignments. Okay, right. Today, one more functionality. Let me show you that one more functionality. Functionality I'm expecting here. Watch it carefully. So let me explain you this through paint diagram. So let us open the paint diagram. Let me show you what I am expecting. Today, I don't want to use any images. I want to use icons only. Okay. So this is a container. Container means big section, one section. Inside the section, I need a block like this again, a block. How many blocks like this? Ante 6 blocks or 7 blocks, whatever it may. 6 blocks I need. Ante last session we take 4 blocks per row, right? 4 blocks per row we taken. Today I won't take 3 blocks. But see, Same design I am going to take here? No, I'm not going to take the same design. What is my design today? Can you see this carefully? Here, I want to get one icon. All of you see this carefully. This is an icon only, or else change the color to different for this. So this is an icon. So this is an icon, but we will see inside this circle, we have to keep one icon and inside the circle, I want to keep one icon. Okay, whatever the icon it may be, don't worry. I'm just drawing this icon. Some icon you should keep inside the circle. Okay, don't worry. Icon could be anything, right? You can take anything, icon, some icon. Icon should be overlapped with circle. So, and here I want to get some title and what I want to get here, some title just besides this icon, I want to get some title. After that, at the end of it, I want to get some description. At the end of it, I want to get some description. This is going to be bottom of this Sunday. I need to get some description, or 3-4 lines of description, or whatever it may be. I want to get some description here. So then how do I do this, guys, here? Anybody? So this is the thing. So I'm writing some description, whatever it is going to be. Don't worry, some description. I'm writing it like this. I want, right? So here, what we should have some title. Definitely, this is going to be some title. So let us take this is going to be some title. We come here. So can you see the difference? Last session, you observe all these three are coming one by one. Yes or not, right? Last session, how we implemented this, the layout is little different than not the same layout. This is the last session we did. So what we did ante, so we have an image here. After that image, I should have some title. After the title completed, I have some paragraph tag. So they're all coming one by one in the block. But today, my requirement is completely different. So like this, I need 3 blocks per row. Can anybody tell me, how can I take the structure for it? If you know how to take the structure for one block, we will copy paste the same thing. Last session also we did the same thing, right? Yes. Can you tell me, please? I need this design, but yesterday's design is different and today's design is different. But yesterday, what is common and the section block. Today also section block. But inside the block, can you see it is a different layout inside the block. So then how do I do this layout? Come here now. If you can able to set a structure, you are very good. I mean, what I want to say, you understand very nice this. Otherwise, maybe. So you will see this again. So same thing I'm removing, and you can keep the same thing. No worries. Let us save the file. Alignments 3.html is a file I'm creating. Alignments 3.html. Sorry, double times HTML. Save as. So .html. Okay, one time HTML file. So now can you tell me the structure? Now this is going to be section, section open, section close. You can write one container or ID or class is equal to some features or whatever it is and take something, features. Class name is our choice completely. So inside we need 6 blocks and per row 3. So but here I'm taking the class is equal to F block. F block means feature block. Don't take the same class for everything, Andy. That section design may be different. This section may be different. Always take the classes meaningful blocks, meaningful name. Otherwise, some people will take this is going to be future hyphen block also they will take. Class names should be very clear, Andy. So don't take the same class for every block. Maybe design same, but don't take the same names. Maybe design may be same and colors are not same. Maybe sometimes colors are different. So that what is the section you are doing? Use the naming convention. My section is features, right? That's why I'm using features class. I'm using features block like this. It's always a good practice. Inside this, like this, how many feature blocks? Only 6 blocks. First, let us design one block. Can you see here? You observed or not? And this icon and this information side by side, Andy. Yes, sir. All of you see this carefully. Okay, people may think that what we will write like yesterday, like earlier, we can take an icon. We can take an icon and we can take some title H1 or H3. This is H3 tag, something H3 or H4, whatever it is. After the paragraph tag, if you can take in what you taken yesterday, same, but today you cannot take it same only. What is the meaning of it? These two should be side by side. Guys, these two should be side by side. If you want to bring these two side by side, I already told you earlier, If you want to display 2 or more items, or if you want to bring 2 items side by side, what are the 2 items you want to bring side by side? You want to bring all these 3 items side by side, or only these 2 side by side, or only these 2 side by side? Definitely here there should be one parent for this also. These 2 should have one parent. Why? Because I want to bring these 2 side by side. Got it? So this idea you should get it. And so this is going to be, I'm taking class is equal to, I'm taking this is going to be FUAT, future info. This is going to be future info, title, description, whatever it may be. So this is going to be the paragraph tag if you want. This is no class needs required. So this is going to be future, what is going to be future description, something, and a future block description, whatever it may be. Andy. So take the name of the classes. This is info. Inside the info, we have a class is equal to something, and we have title is equal to something. Class is equal to title, future title, future icon. You can take any name to the classes, no problem. Even if you don't take the classes also, does not require, no need to worry about it. Can you see the structure? Moreover, how can I get the icons, Andy? How can I get the icons? And one more thing, this icon should be in a circle, na? As per the design, this icon is inside a circle, right? If it is inside a circle, we will do one thing. Can you see? Icon, and icon is wrapped with a circle, na? I tag is used for icon. But how do we wrap the circle? To do this, again, we will take one div. So this idea, we have to get it. Why I am taking this div? So this is for displaying the icon. And this is div is for displaying the circle over the icon only. Can you see the structure? How I am taking the structure? This is the design I given. So if you want me to write again, yeah, let me write it again. So I'm removing all this stuff again. Watch it carefully. Again, I'm repeating the same thing. So generally, what we need? So we need 6 futures block. The first futures red color. The black color is what? This is the section. The black color is section. Inside this, we have red color. Na? Red color box is nothing but future block. Inside the future block, remember carefully, we have the following things, and these 2 are going to be in one div, and this is going to be one div. Okay, or else directly write a paragraph tag also. Then what I want to do here, you can take, if you want, there is a div and 2 divs if you want to take it. So this icon and title is on one div. This paragraph tag is in one div. Like this also we can take it. Now class is equal to future info. Inside this future info, you are going to have an icon. You are going to have some H3 for title. H3 is going to be the title. Inside this future description, class is equal to, you take something called FAT, future DESC description. Inside the description, you can take paragraph tag also, or else you can take directly paragraph tag also, no problem. I mean, why should I take extra div if you can think it? You can take this into one paragraph tag also directly. I mean, in place of this div, some people will, this structure is also valid, and directly we can write it. Anyhow, paragraph tag should be at the bottom of it only, na? So no problem. Even if you can take into div also, no problem. It's not a big deal. See, what I want to say, this is block divided into 2 parts. One is info part, one is description part. This info part should be above, this is going to be bottom. But in the info part, we have to bring these 2 side by side. Yes, sir? So now you see, there is an icon. Icon is a circle. We have to add a circle. So that's why we have to add one more div for the icon only. I will tell you why I added one more div for the icon. So now you see, I am taking one class is equal to F icon, future icon. Take any name, no problem. Future icon, something. So this is a way of taking structure. Now, these 2, this icon and this title should be side by side. Icon and title should be side by side. How do I design this? This is the structure. Let me do one thing. So here, let us have some title. Let's write this is going to be some title will come here. Some title will come here. And the icon. So let us use Bootstrap icons are Bootstrap. Sorry, font or some icons are there. Na? FA user. Some icons I'm using. Okay, we have to link that up. How to add the font or some icons? We have to link the font or some CDN here. Na? So let's go to Google. Get the font over some CDN link because we want to get some icons. Font over some CDN link, if you can Google for it, maybe you will get the, yeah, cdnjs.com. This is the font awesome link, and copy this, copy the link tag. Just paste this link tag into your code so that font awesome is added to our website. Don't worry. What is the code here they written? Link relation equal to style sheet, and they're adding the some style.css file, min.css file. Don't worry. What is the code they written? This is predefined by the font awesome. Now, how to get the icon? So icon will come automatically because of adding this class. Font awesome classes will be always like this only. If you want to check the classes of the font awesome free icons, go for the website. You will find the free icons. You can use these icons only because these icons only free and free. All are not free. So you have to go with only these icon. I use this icon, FA user. Click on it. You see FA solid, FA user. So if you don't want solid, if you want normal user, FA to FA user. So like this, we can add the icons and okay, this is a way that we can do. So click on the icon. What is the icon you need? So if you want this icon, click on it. You will get the code FA regular user. Click on it, it will be copied. And if you want that icon, you can come here, remove this code and paste that code here. What is the thing you copied? And here we need some description. Let us copy some help text from somewhere or Google. So I'm copying this description from here. You can copy this anywhere, right? I did this like this. Can you see? This is a future block. Observe this carefully. Future info, future description. In the future, if you can go for this is the future block. So you can minimize like this. You will get more clarity. So this is the skeleton of this structure, Andy. So now what I want to do, let's copy paste this 6 times. I'm going to copy paste this to future block to 6 times. Why? Because I need 6 blocks now. Come here now. I'm going to paste this second time, third time, fourth time, sixth time. 6 times I copied, but 6 times you need same icon every time. No, I want different icon. So let us go and go to the Bootstrap, get some different icons. Facebook icon I'm getting, brands, copy this icon, add this icon everywhere. So I don't want the same icon for every time. So remove this directly. Remove and replace this. FA Facebook. So like this, go to Facebook again. Sorry, go to font awesome. Close this and click on this icon. Any one of the icon, and that is your choice completely. Go to the code, remove this and add this icon. And sometimes based on the title, we have to take the icon, but right now we don't know. So just we are designing. What is the title? What is the future title? Customers will tell us. That's why we are simply giving a design. So based on the design, customers will provide the information to us. So it is not that thing. Concentrate on the design first. So I want to write the Twitter button. Copy this and go there and just replace the thing. Now, if you can refresh your browser, see, they will all come in one line. They won't be in multiple line. So this is going to be envelope. So replace this user icon with envelope. Let's go there, copy this LinkedIn icon, right? Some icons may work, may not work. Please check these icons only while you are working with this, okay? Right, some there anyhow, we are all using free icons only. So done, all the things completed. Now, if you can run this file in the browser, now default viewer, can you see they're all coming like this? By default, how they are coming? They're all coming one by one. Can you see? So first icon of the title of the description. Yesterday also same design you observed, image, title, description, they're all coming one by one. And before writing CSS, they will all, what is and all are block level elements. All the block level elements will come one by one. So until you didn't design, they will come one by one. Now I want to design this. How can I design this? As per my requirement, title and icon should be sideways. First of all, let me display all these 3 per row. Who is the parent of every block here? Every block, feature block. Every block, feature block is what? Parent. Remember, come here now, go to the code. One by one, I'm expanding. This is the thing. Minimize like this. While designing anything, if you can minimize like this, you will get more clarity on the thing. We have how many blocks are there? 6 blocks. First, we have to bring all these 6 blocks side by side. So who is the father of all these 6 and features? Yes, sir? Features. Now you can copy the features and come to the CSS file, dot features. And in this, I'm writing display flex. Display flex. Just refresh and check this. I'm writing flex to parent. If I write parent, all the childrens will be side by side. Okay, come here. Now, if you can refresh now, can you see? They're all coming side by side. So for every, you always write flex wrap also. I told you, right? Already flex WRAP wrap. You write the wrap also. Maybe they will little adjusted. Can you see? Okay, but not adjusted. Sorry. So they're always like this only. See, they're adjusting here. So when I'm in Zoom, they're coming 2 by 2. When I'm in big screen, they're coming 1 by 1. Okay, they're adjusted, but you should write always flex wrap only. It's mandatory. And for every block, you set the flex width also. What is the every block and the future block? So yesterday we did these 3 properties enough and the flex width 33.33% you take it now. Okay, go and refresh it carefully. Now they're all adjusted properly. And one more thing, for a while, let us use some border. After that, we will remove the border. And don't worry, 20 pixels, not 20 pixels enough. 10 pixel, solid, some green border I'm taking for a while. So later we will remove it. Once everything is done, we will remove the border. So border is applied or not applied. Why? Semicolon is missing here. Add the semicolon. And if you can come, now this is what exactly. If you think border is too big, reduce the border to 5 pixels or 3 pixels. Right. So that is a border. I'm done with it. Now, inside the box, let me set some padding also. I'm writing some padding, 20 pixels inside the box. Write one property, check the preview. This is the 20 pixels inside the box. And it is better than previous. So all the boxes are attached together. Sir, I don't want to make them to attach. Let me provide some gap. So the gap is going to be margin 20 pixels I'm taking. If you can write 20 pixels and the gap increases and we have to reduce the flex width also. Okay. Save this file and you see this carefully. Now they're coming 2 by 2. No, I don't want to make 2 by 2. I want to make 3 by 3. Then you have to reduce the width little. Let us make this is going to be 30% only and you can refresh it. This is fine for me. Sir, now I want to remove the border. Now I want to remove the border. So how to remove? Simply come here. Now you can remove the border. Now can you see the design? So without border, now this is going to be something like this. Border is better if you have border. That you decide what is the border you need or a border not needed. Otherwise, I will do one thing. So if you don't need border, we have a property called box shadow. Earlier we learned shadow, box shadow. Box shadow having 3 things. So 0 pixel, 10 pixel blurriness around the box, and this is going to be some color, dark color I'm providing. If you can refresh, can you see this will be like this? Is it fine? If you are okay with it, you can continue. So I'm not okay with this, then you can go with the border only. I'm using the shadow. So for this, let us use border radius also. See border radius. See how these sessions I'm getting automatically. By seeing the output, I want to beautify my website, my layout. No one will tell you, use this border radius 10 pixel, box shadow use, border you use. No one will tell. That is our ideology. So that you have to implement by your own. Okay. So this is going to be, I'm writing 5 pixels border radius. Let us see curved borders on the 4 sides. Still, you want to increase the border radius, you can increase the border radius also. That's fine. Okay. Now this is going to be 8 pixels border radius I'm taking. Now this is done. We are done with it, Andy. The major thing is what? 6 blocks, 3 per row completed. Now the next agenda is what, sir, this icon, this title should be side by side, sir. Are they side by side? No, they are 1 by 1. So come here. Who is the father of this H1? Who is the father of this icon image? Go to the section. Come here now. Expand 1 block. Observe this carefully. Like this, you have to check it, Andy. First major thing, all the 6 blocks should be side by side. Yes, we are done with it. So we are done with the following CSS code. This is the output. Now the next one is what? As per our requirement, this icon and the title should be side by side, na? Then how do I bring this icon and title side by side? And come here now. Into this, if we can come here, now we see. So in the future block, this is icon, this is the title. Tell me, who is the father of this icon and H3? Who is the father of this icon and H3? So future info is the father, right? So if you want to bring these 2 items side by side, come here now. This is going to be dot future info. How to bring the item side by side? Again, write display flex to the parent. If you want bring 2 items side by side, always write display flex. Now you go and check this now. If you can refresh it now, can you see they're side by side now? They're side by side. What is I'm expecting? That's what. Can you see here? Flex wrap is not required. Actually says if you want, you can take it, no problem. But it is mostly it is not required, Andy. So we don't want to set the width for the title. Title should be dynamic, Andy. Title may be one line or two line. It should be dynamic only. But I written flex wrap like this. But there is no problem. But when the problem you have to observe, if you can increase the title, okay, I'm taking more big title. It will come definitely to the next line, right? It will come to the definitely to the next line. And I mean, it won't fit here. So maybe it is coming to the next line. Yeah, when it is coming to the next line, is flex wrap is working? Flex wrap is not working. Okay, but let us remove this flex wrap here, and you can check this now. If you can refresh it, still that is side by side now. See, can you see? Exactly this is. Sometimes the title may be one line, the title may be two line, the title may be three line. We don't know. So sometimes flex wrap, especially if the content is overflowing, flex wrap is required. If you can say flex wrap, you have to set the flex width also. Generally, we will set. But here we don't want to set any width for the title, any width for the icon. Just leave them. They have to be side by side. That's all. We don't want to do anything. Okay, let's leave the same thing as it is. Okay, that's all. Just I written the flex wrap only. Okay, title may be more. Title may be small. Sometimes we don't know. Sometimes big title. Sometimes it may be small title. We don't. So that we have to be careful as per that. So right now we are adding the static titles. Maybe tomorrow these titles may come from database dynamically. If they're coming from database dynamically, the title may be one line or two line, we don't know. So we have to think as per that also. Okay, if I did the same design like this with the same length of title, and it is not correct way. You have to take always some random titles, random description. Okay, here we have two lines now. Take three lines of para in somewhere. So take two lines of heading somewhere. Then you will get the perfect solution. So don't expect always you will have the one line title, two line para. Sometimes para may be four lines, sometimes title may be two lines also. So we have to think like that. If title is two lines, content may not be adjusted properly. Okay, so fine. Now the next one is going to be this icon, and icon is looks very small, right? And I'm not liking that icon. So for this, what I want to do, icon class. What is the icon class and the f icon? Okay, come here now. I'm taking dot f icon of I tag, which is inside of it. So here, let us use the font size we can set for the icon, and the font size. I'm writing 30 pixels font size for the icon. Can you see now icon is bigger? Yeah, icon is going to be big icon. Okay, icon is big. That's good to see. But the problem is what here? They are all attached together. There is no gap. And moreover, icon need a circle. Icon need a circle. And moreover, there is no gap here. Can you see? It is attached to the icon. I need some gap of the margin, right? So for this F icon, I'm writing margin right only. I don't want all this and a RIGHT. Just margin right. I'm writing 10 pixels, let us write. If you okay 10 pixel, fine. Otherwise, you can reduce or increase this value. So 10 pixels I'm providing. Is this gap is okay? Yeah, I'm okay with this gap, sir. 10 pixel is decent for me. Yes, I'm fine with it. Now, what is the next thing, guys, here? If we can come here, this F icon, I'm setting some height width also. Or else you set the border. See, border is going to be I'm writing 2 pixel solid border, some color. What is the color? You can take some green color or yellow green, whatever the color you want, or blue color. So you can change the color later. Right now I'm taking the blue color. If we can go and check this now, can we see what exactly? Is the icon is fitted inside of it? No, it is not fitted inside of it. Okay, right. 1 minute, please. Yes, guys, icon is not fitted on the things. Okay, let us set some height width for the icon. So what you will do, you can set some height. Height is equal to 40 pixels. Width also 40 pixels only. Height width 40. Sorry, 40. I'm setting. So height for the F icon 40 I'm setting. Is 40 is okay? 40 is fine for me. Or else you can make this 50 also, 60 also, no problem. Your choice completely. It is going to be, right? This is going to be like this. That is a icon. So for this icon, I want to set border radius. How to make the circle only? Border hyphen radius. Border radius, you set 120 and more pixels. Let me see. Is it a circle? Yeah, it's look like a circle. Perfect. And moreover, if you can observe, the icon is not exactly center in the circle. Icon is not exactly center in the circle. Yesterday I told you, do you remember? How can we make the content in the box center, exactly center of the box? Anybody tell me how to do this? Icon should be inside the center. But you see, circle is proper, but icon is on the one corner. It is not exactly center of the circle. Then how do I do? Anybody? How can I do this? So here we can do this way. So I already told you we have a property called display flex justify hyphen content center. See how many properties we are writing here. Center and align item center. This is what I told you, right? Align items center. Let us see if I can write it. Is the icon is center of the box? Perfectly center of the box. Perfectly, it is a center of the box. I don't know why this icon is coming like this. I set height width also, no? Is there any problem in the icon? 1 minute. First icon. The first icon is not working properly. Maybe the icon is a problem. F icon, I class FA. 1 minute. Otherwise, let us use Instagram. No problem. So I don't know. The user icon may be different, I believe. So okay, let us try this. Your Instagram icon. Let me refresh the page, which is working fine. Oh, the first icon is a problem. What is the problem in the first icon? I don't know. The first icon is only have some problem. 1 minute. Why that is not setting height width? I don't know. Is there any problem I miss? Anything I missed here? So let us copy paste the same thing for this LinkedIn. This is working. Why that is not working? Maybe I don't know what is the thing I missed there earlier. FA. Okay. Now fine. LinkedIn 2 times. Take this Instagram icon. So paste this Instagram icon here. Let me try to check this. What exactly this is going to be? I don't know. Is there any problem? Maybe anything is missed. I don't know what is going to be missed. Right. Okay, fine. Now exactly this is. But you see, why my title is on exactly somewhere on top. It is not a icon center exactly. So it is the top of the icon. No. I want to align the icon and the title parallel each other. See, this icon is somewhere. What I'm expecting, sir, I want to bring the icon exactly like this, center to the icon. How do I bring this icon exactly center to the icon? So already we written a property. Remember carefully. Display flex, you written a future info. In the future info, you have the div f icon, we have the title. So here you write the property vertical and center, vertically center, align item center. So not write, don't write vertical align. Display flex low, align items only will work. You see, you are using display flex. With the display flex, you are making the items horizontal center, vertical center. Horizontal center means justify content. Vertical center means align items. So I already told you yesterday. Now can you see the title and the icon is exactly the thing? Na? Can you see? And then now the title may be 2 lines sometimes or 3 lines. So I don't know whatever it is going to be, but it should be exactly center. Can you see? You can increase the title. Now 1 minute, please. I want to increase my title. I want to make some big title. The first one. Can you see? I'm making very big title. 3 lines or 2 lines of title I'm making. See, still that is adjusting the at the center only. Maybe if you can set some width also for it, it will work only. You set some flex width for it. Maybe that's the reason I think this is missing actually. Earlier you written flex wrap, right? Flex wrap, after that you set some width for the icon, you set some width for the that H1 H3 tag also. If you have something, you see the icon is congested. So why? Because you didn't set any width, right? I can set some width, flex width for this icon. So what I can do, you don't need to set for the title. For this, I want to set the flex width and flex width 15% I'm setting. 15% flex width I'm setting for the F icon. So, oh my God, this see. And based on the content, this is adjusting. And if the content is very small, this is coming like this. If content is, very big, this is coming. But see this width, if we can set, I think I have to set width for F icon. H3 na title H3. For this also, let me set the flex width is going to be 82 or 85%. Actually, 85% if we can take, 100% will come because we are having some margins and paddings, right? So this is not working. Why this is not? That is H3 na? What is we taken there? H3 only. So this is not in F icon only. Sorry, this is available inside the feature info, right? Sorry for this. Class is wrong. Feature info H3. Maybe if we can refresh now. So you reduce the width and if you want. So 15% is very big if you can feel. Make this is going to be 10%. Now if we can refresh it, now this is perfectly and reduce the little bit also, no problem. Sometimes you have to set the width also. See, how do I know on the fly we are doing this? The height, width, and maybe everything 8% I'm taking. If you can take 8%, icon is enough and 8% width is icon and remaining all the title. Maybe see the title may be 3 lines, but see icon is exactly trying to center of the content only. And I have to align center. See if you can write, if you didn't write align item center, icon is going to be always on top only. Can you see icon is look, oh, sorry, not here, I believe. So you have to go here. So somewhere you can come here. If you can remove the align center, see, remove one property, add the property. See, icon is not on the thing only. Icon is on top only, is not center. It is not center exactly. So that's why we are adding the property. Definitely we will do like this. If you have just one line of title, if you have 2 lines of title, how do I do? So the sometimes the content may increase, the content may decrease, so that we have to be careful about it, guys. Okay. So now if we can refresh it again, so this is 2 lines of title only. For the icon and everything at the bottom, I need something. So for this feature info F block, feature info, margin bottom. Margin bottom, I need some gap. See, they are attached together, look like attached together. So what I want to do, can you see this paragraph tag, icon, title are look like attached together. So that let's write some margin bottom. Margin bottom is going to be, I'm writing 15 pixels, I'm writing 10 pixels margin bottom, I'm writing, refresh the page. Yeah, somewhat down. If you think it is more, you can reduce this to 10 pixels. 10 pixels, you can make it. So you can also do one thing, feature info line feature block, feature block line height also. Line height, yesterday I told you, na, line height for every feature block, you can set the line height also. Line height 23 pixels or 24 pixels if we can take it. What is the line height here? There is no much line height between this and this line, 2 lines. Here also there is no much line height. If we can refresh, can you see? There is a decent line height between the para. See, first para, second line, first line and second line. Here also, first line, second line, we have a decent gap between the thing. And the icon inside the box is not looks good. Icon color also we can set. And for icon, I want to set the color. Already we have a class. So we don't want to add a class again. Color, what is the color I want to take? Tomato color, T-O-N-A-T-O. Tomato is a color. Now, if we can go and check this now, this is going to be tomato color. And the color, border color, we provided a green color, na? Green color we provided. Sorry, blue color. F icon border. So this is a blue color. So I don't want blue color. I need some dark color. Hash A4 0000 dark red I view. Maybe if we can refresh, it may be brick red color or something like this. It will become like this. No, I want to take this is going to be some green color only. Yeah, why not? You can take some green color, no problem. Green with the tomato, right? So the text colors also, if you want to change this only, you can change the text color also. So here, if you can come to the feature block, whatever the text we are having, the text paragraph tag and H3 tag color also. H3 color. What is the color we can take? Hash 666 color I'm taking. No, you want to take some dark colors or light colors. Whatever the colors you want, you can take them. No problem. Colors also I'm changing. So ultimately, how we are bringing the item side by side. So see the requirement. See, ultimately at the end of the day, if you know how to create the structure, then only you can design it, Andy. I mean, without this structure, without understanding this structure, you will never create anything. It is not possible. How good the design you are doing? No, you are mimic the design. You are trying to adjust the design. That's all. If there is no proper structure, right, you have to write a lot of adjustment code. That is not correct actually. If we can take the structure properly, you can write very less number of lines of code, and if you can take proper structure. If there is no proper structure, things will be lot of number of lines of code. So that is not correct always. That is not recommended also. So you have to be like this only. So now if we, even if we can minimize this F12, can you see they're adjusting 2 by 2 automatically, but here icons are not adjusted. This we have to write in media queries, and don't worry about it. And if we can go down, minimize, now still they are one by one. Now see they are coming one by one here. They're coming one by one. But in this context, sir, I don't want, I mean, title description side by side. In this context, icon should be type, icon should be top, and the title should be bottom only. I mean, what I want to say here, icon and the title are side by side in this device. No, I don't want, sir. Icon should be top and the title should be down and after the description. So how do I do? For this, we have to write the media query, CSS media query to make it responsive. In this resolution, what are you expecting? In that resolution, what are you expecting? If you want to do this, definitely we have to do such a thing. So inside the box, if we can go there, do we have F icon? Do we have any padding here? I didn't write any padding. Height width we set. Now let us set some padding also. Padding also will give you some solution. 20 pixels padding if we can take, it may be more gap inside the box. I will more gap. Oh, padding may giving the solution to it. Maybe if we can expand this. Now perfectly they're adjusting and 2 by 2, 1 by 1. Now if we can come here, now they're adjusting automatically like this. But here it is not correct. Icon should be top, title should be bottom. So that's we have to adjust this. So this is how the content is getting adjusted properly. So whatever the screen it may be, somewhat it is adjusting, but later we will use CSS media query. In the media query, we have a property flex direction column, flex direction row. Like this also we can write it. And see this, so by default they are all going to be like this now. So flex direction, there is a property, and actually we don't want to set the property right now, but let me show you the property. What is the property after display flex and everything you return in the container? You can write flex direction, DIRE direction is going to be row, by default row name. So there is no change. If we can go and check this now, there is no difference. By default row. Row reverse, if we can write, you see Facebook, every row, Facebook you observe. After that, we have download icon, after that Twitter icon. In this row, envelope icon, LinkedIn and Instagram. See, if I can write, this is going to be row reverse. Observe this carefully. Row REVERSE, row reverse only. Now, if we can go and check this now, can you see? This is going to be reverse row. See, Instagram earlier first, now it is coming on in that row only, in that row reverse. Earlier Facebook is last, but it is now first. Earlier Twitter is first. That every row, the content earlier is in one order. Now I am reversing. So flex direction, that's the meaning. Of course, we can write this is going to be column also. COLUM column. If you can see, all the content will be column. See, everything is going to be a column like this. Everything is going to be a column. So otherwise, you write column reverse, REVERSE reverse. If you can write column reverse, until last icon will be first. So all, see, this will go down, this will go down, this will go down, and the last, what are the things are there? They will come to the first. And see, Facebook, the order will be top to bottom. Now it is going to be bottom to top. If you can refresh, see, Facebook is on top, Instagram is at the last, and you see in LinkedIn earlier second. Now it is on the fifth one. So we can use this property, especially in the media queries. Right now, this flex direction property not required for us, especially when you're discussing CSS media queries, responsive layouts when you're creating. This flex direction property will help you a lot. That's all right now. So this is a way of designing. Last session also we designed. And same this session also we are designing. But the thing is what? Structure is different. So they are not same. They are not same, guys. Okay. So this is the thing. So can you take some assignments, guys? Anyhow, tomorrow and day after tomorrow is holiday, right? So can you take an assignment? Anyhow, you are busy. I know that very somehow I have to provide the assignments to you. Assignment 1. So take this diagram. So what is the diagram you should take? 1 minute, please. All of you, your assignment 1 is going to be assignment 1. This is your assignment 1. Okay. Right. Let me Control, don't save. Assignment 1, this is Andy. Let me save this image. I'm saving this image in your location only. Assignment 1. I need this design like this. You want to use icon, you can use the icon there. Okay. This is assignment 1. Let me save this in your CSS folder. We have images now. I'm saving all these assignments in the particular location. Assignment 1 image. Take the snap of this assignment 1 image. So here you can take the icon dollar symbol. I need the same design. I have 3 now. If you want to take 3 more, you can take 3 more. I mean, so per row, I have 3 blocks now. So if you want, you can take 3 more. You can take 3 more also, no problem. Like this, I want. You understand what I'm telling you? Per row, 3, 3 or 4, 4. Whatever you want, you can do it. You can use different things. You can get the stats like this. Assignment 1, this is what assignment 1. I hope you're done. So take this assignment. Take a snap of this assignment from your mobile phone quickly. Assignment 1, take the snap. I hope everybody done. This is the assignment 1. I need this design exactly. This is your assignment 1. All of you taking the snap. I don't know how many of you are taking the snap. Otherwise, you want me to send to download. I can send to download also. 1 minute, please. I think I can do from here. I can attach file. Okay, I'm sending this in the meeting window from my computer. CSS images. This is the assignment 1. You have to complete only assignment 1. Yeah, I'm sending this to assignment 1 in the meeting window. I sent you to everyone. Download that image. In the meeting window, I sent you assignment 1. Don't say after that, Andy, sir, I didn't get the assignment images. How do I do? Don't say like this. I'm sending you. You download it. It's okay, without file. Assignment 1, this is right. Next, assignment 2. Let's go for one more image here. So I want to create one more. Assignment 2, this is going to be assignment 1 is completed. This is already, I did this just now, right? Here, how do you take the structure for this? Okay, I did, but anyhow, I want to give this a second assignment. This is assignment 2. Okay, this is going to be assignment 2. Come here now, paste here, save. This is going to be ASSI GNENT assignment 2 is a file. So I will send all the files in a minute. Assignment 2, I need this design. This is not full width. So in the total screen, maybe take this is going to be 25% width or 33% width only. Implement this assignment in 33.33% width only or 20% width also. Okay, I don't want full width. Simply in the right side, you see in this website now. So what are you able to see here? The same thing I want to do there. Okay, now right. Next assignment. Let's move for another one. So lot of assignments you are going to get. So this is going to be Google Finance. All of you. The next assignment is going to be, what is the assignment will you do? Somewhat complex assignment I want to provide to you. So this is going to be the next assignment. I need the same assignment, guys, here. Don't do any mistakes. I need this. Okay, like this. Assignment. Okay, don't worry. Up to here. I'm taking this up to here. This is what? Assignment 3. So ultimately, how can I do this? If you know structure, you can do it. If you don't know the structure, first create the structure. Then only you can do something. Whatever the image you want, you can take it and see, I need some title. See on top of it, see all of you, how to create the structure. If you can ask me, let me tell you one image with a structure. This is going to be assignment3.png. There is an assignment 3. If you want to create this assignment, first take the one container. All of you see this carefully. This is all going to be one container. Okay, this is all going to be one container. Okay, now this is the container. In the container, so this may be one heading. Okay, now this may be some heading. Okay, this may be some heading. And you observe all these 3 are going to be in one div only. One div. In one div, we have 3 subdivs. one div, three subdivs. The three subdivs should be side by side. Okay, now that is completed. Now the next one is what, this is all going to be try to take into one div again. All of you see this carefully. This is all going to be one div again, one div. Got it up? Right. So in block color, we have four. This is first one is a H1 or div title. Second one is one div. Third one is also div. In every div, what are you going to take here? Try to observe this carefully. Again, this is all going to be one div. All of you, this is all going to be one div. Got it up? And in this, you have two subparts again. So you see, this is going to be in one part, and this is going to be in one part. If you can take a pen and paper like this, by seeing the image, you will get the structure. Without that, can I get the structure? And impossible. Remember carefully. It is not possible. It's not going to be get the structure. Like the same, the yellow color, 6 times yellow color block is going to be repeated, or 5 times yellow color block is going to be repeated. Same, left side, some company name and the title 2 hours ago, and right side is going to be some image, whatever it is. So you can, I need this. You can use any images, whatever the images you want, you can use the images. Okay, challenging. You have to take it as a challenging. I'm telling you, 5 to 6 assignments I'm going to provide. If you are able to do those assignments, I think you are professional. You can become professional in the designing layouts. At the end of the day, at the end of CSS, I will create, by using all these designs, we will create one big website, one small website or big website, whatever it is going to be. We will create some website. I will show you some sample website. This website we are going to create. Inside that website, we need a header, we need a banner. Upon the banner, we have to keep some information, right? So like this, we have to do a lot of things. Some websites we are going to create. In this website, one part should be this is, some other part should be left bar, right bar. So see, websites means you observe every day. So different website we are observing. We have different content, different layout in every website. Can we see the same layout in every website? No, different website with the different layouts. How do I do? Exactly. So you are going to create this layout. Okay, now, right? This is what assignment 3. So now let us go for one more assignment. Everybody know google.com. But go to the bottom of the google.com. Maybe you will see about at the bottom. Can you see? Where is this, Sandy? Settings about. Yeah, on top it is there. Can you click on about Google? Generally, we will always use search only, right? Let us click on the about Google. In the about Google, maybe if you can go at the bottom or somewhere, you will see careers. Can you see careers or somewhere? And I think if you can go down completely, you see there is something called careers. I'm clicking on the careers. In this careers, I want to implement one section as an assignment only. So what is that assignment? Do you know? Yeah, this is very simple assignment. Let me give you this assignment. This assignment I want to do as an assignment 4. Can you see the assignment? Left side image, right side information. So this is what assignment 4 to me. Yeah, save this. Let us create a new one. Paste here. This is what the assignment, ASSI, assignment 4. So different things, and why should we do a design like me? Whatever the design I did, if you are also doing the same thing, there is no use of it. Why can't we do like this? So try to do one assignment, assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment 3, 4, daily one assignment. No need to do all assignments in a single day. Doesn't require. Try to concentrate on the first assignment. If you are able, fine. Not able, please ask me, I will help you. Second day, second assignment. Third day, third assignment. Like this, you have to complete all these assignments. Okay, right. So assignment 5 also can we find? So what is the assignment 5? So any other, here can we get any assignment 5? Okay, similar design, this is also. Okay, what is assignment? Locations. Can I go to Teams? Oh, this is a simple design. Can we do this design? Wow, design is looks good. Very simple design. Okay, so I want to take the same design. Yeah, assignment 5 this is. See, I don't know. I'm taking some random designs. Can I do? Yes, definitely I can do, because I know how to take the structure. So if I know how to take the structure, definitely I can complete these assignments, guys. Without knowing structure, we cannot do. Okay, right. So this is, you can take any images in place of it, but I need that layout, right? Yeah. Finally, you have all the 5 assignments. Okay, right. Assignment 5. Daily one assignment you have to complete. Not only these, if you're interested, sir, I went to some other website, sir. I seen this layout. I want to create this layout. Yeah, you are welcome to create. But any doubt you are having, let me know. I can help you in the layout creation. Okay, right. You have 5 assignments. Let me share you all these 5 assignments in the meeting window. So already one I shared. I'm sharing the remaining assignments also with you guys. Okay, right from my computer. So I'm sharing assignment 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 I'm sharing right now. Yep, I'm sending all the assignments. Can you please download all these assignments? I sent you in the meeting window. Please download the assignment images, or else let me upload these images to your drive also. 1 minute, please. Drive. We have here somewhere I have MERN. 1 minute. Let me upload here into the MERN. So MERN full stack. So here in the CSS folder, or else here I have assignments folder. Let us create one folder with name assignments. Folder assignments. You can download these images from here. And don't ask me after that I was unable to download, right? So assignments is a folder. Inside this assignments folder, I'm uploading all these CSS images only. Okay, right. Let us upload these into this file upload. So 5 assignments I'm uploading to drive also. So these are the screenshots I'm giving to you. As per the screenshot, you have to create the things only. Okay. So please try to complete all these 5 assignments. If you have any questions, you let me know. Assignment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think 2 and 3 are very, 2 is very easy, I believe. I think 4 also. 3, 4 is very easy. Maybe 2 little different. Of course, all are easy, but if you know the structure properly, if you don't know the structure, nothing is easy, guys. Okay, be careful. And how to create the structure. That is also very, very important thing. If you don't know how to create the structure, I'm sure nothing is going to be easy. Assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment 3, and this is going to be assignment 4, assignment 5. See the design. See the gaps also. Maybe I want to tell you one more suggestion. Maybe you are all trying to complete the assignments. Very good. But your assignment is looks good or not, the finishing and the titles and the gap and everything should be calculated. So there should be a decent gap. The content should never congested. So it should be, there should be some decent gap between the block and block. They have to be look very clear. Right. So then only I did a design, you're also doing a design, but whose design is very good? Definitely one person design is very good. Who is that one person? Why that one person design is very good? So he is maintaining proper gap spacing and all the same unique color combination, right? Same space between the all the elements, equal gap between all the elements. This is required. So you see, why should we do this assignment, Andy? So this assignment we did right now. So with why we are having this much, this is not looks good. Maybe some people may do better than me. Definitely, I know that. So I did like this. Maybe you people may do this better than me with good color combination. Also, you can try to do this. Right? Definitely, you can do it. So you see, you want to make this more still. If you want to decorate this design, yes, we can do this design also. What I can do for the futures, let us use background hyphen color is going to be, I'm writing hash D1, 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 background color and take it. If you can refresh it, can you see what the design is going to be? Background color I am adding. So that is a background color. Is it looks good? 100% this is not looks good. So let's go for some padding here. So I'm writing some padding to the parent container, 20 pixels padding I'm writing. All 4 sides, if you can observe, padding is going to be, sorry, go to the browser. In the browser, if you can refresh, this is going to be the padding, in the parent padding. Finally, it's not, looks good. So previously, somewhat better. Now you see what I'm going to, small tweak I'm going to give this to make it better. So to this, background color, I'm writing this is going to be a white color. Maybe if you can come and save this and refresh this. Now if you can refresh, this is somewhat better than previous now, right? So the background color may be anything. You can take tomato color as a background, no problem. So go to the background of the futures and I taken this color. So let us use this is going to be TOMATO tomato. So you decide the color combination. What is the best color combination you are thinking that you need to decide. So tomato is a background. under the tomato background, my content is like this. Is it looks good to me? Yeah, I can. Otherwise, we can proceed further, no problem. So you decide the color combinations, what is the name, what is the name. So you don't like this, okay, you right click here, inspect this and go to the darker. And here we have the background color, right? In the darker downside, maybe if you can minimize this, can you see? You can click on the color palette. You can choose different colors, guys. Can you see? Is it looks good to you? And you can go this way, you can go like this, and you can toggle the color like this. So is it fine for me? Is it fine for me? Is it good to me? Something. No, I want to provide multicolor background. Earlier we learned linear gradient and linear and radial gradient. So you want to provide such a way also? Welcome, acceptable. See, that is what ideology. Everybody doing, I am also doing. So I didn't like it. So I want to make some transparent background. How do I make the transparent background? So you can do lot of ways, Sunday. Yes, definitely. Okay. So try this way and practice this way and try to complete the assignments. So if you are completed, maybe I know that people are busy, but that's why I'm telling you daily one assignment. You can do the assignment any day, but any problem you are getting in the assignment, immediately you let me know, please. I can help you in the assignment. Okay. After the session completed, I will take the control of our system and you please tell me what is the problem you are facing and how to write the solution for it. We will take it on the fly. Okay. This we will do on Monday onwards. Monday session is completed. Immediately I can wait for you. I don't left from the session. So we will try to provide you some assistance on the assignments also. If you want, you can do your own assignments also. So own thing, you can take your own layouts, own designs also, you can take it, but any problems you are facing, let us know. Definitely we will help you there. Okay, right. Let us stop the session and tomorrow no session and Sunday no session. Next session is on Monday. Okay, right. Thank you all. Any questions you have, let me know, please. Meanwhile.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, please.
Sir, we have class attribute, no? We are giving class attribute values randomly. We are giving, no?
Yes.
But we have class attribute value container.
It could be anything, not only a container.
Maybe it is a predefined value, no, sir?
No, it's not predefined. It's not at all predefined. You can take A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, your name, my name, anything you can take there. While designing, you can take that class name. So this is not predefined at all. That's why while you are practicing, I take in container. You got the output. Remove the container, take A, B, C, D and come to here. So for example, here if we can take A, B, C, D is a class. I'm taking A, B, C, D class. So now you can go to the top, various features. You can write dot same ABC. That's all. This is it. If this is matched and that is matched, enough. Whatever it is, container, ABC, XYZ, it will work. We don't have any problem. Definitely, this is going to be work if we can refresh the page without having any problem. Same design is applied.
Oh.
Right, no problem. So class names are your choice completely. That is controlled by you only.
The only use of class attribute is only for purpose of CSS only, sir?
Not only CSS, we can use the class in JavaScript also. We can use the class in jQuery also. But right now, in HTML and CSS, remember, class is used for designing purpose only. Remember like this. So not only designing, we can do multiple works in JavaScript with the class. So how do we select the element in JavaScript? Based on class, we can select. Based on ID also, we can select. So class purpose is for designing. In CSS, class and ID both are used for designing purpose only. When you are in JavaScript, there is a different story. Again, same class will be there, same ID will be there. Why we will use ID and class in JavaScript? Right, that we will see later. Don't worry about it. Right now, in CSS, class and ID both are used for designing purpose only. Ultimately, we are selecting an element based on the selection of the element we are designing. So selection, how do we select the element? Based on ID we can select, or based on name you can select, or based on class also we can select. So that's what selector. ID, class are selectors. We are selecting the element. Why? To design. It could be anything, but don't take classes like A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S, and D. Always take the classes meaningful. Okay, don't take A, B, C, D, some other and some other. Right? It should be a meaningful class name. Otherwise, if you are providing everywhere A, B, C, D, and what is A, B, C, D? How do I know? Because if you write features and so I can understand, oh, in a website there is a feature section. Maybe these styles are for that feature section. So the naming convention also should be very clear. Don't take your classes, my classes, hello and welcome something. Please wait and uh, please think a second or twice and you will get the idea about the class. But first of all, you have to get an idea. What are you implementing? How to take the naming class? For example, I'm implementing services. So I will write services, service block, service info, service icon. Like this, I will take it. If you're implementing courses, my class is courses, course info, course block, like this. It may be anything, course description, course image, whatever it is going to be. The naming convention should be a meaningful meaning. You can take any name, but one thing, you can take any name, but what is the design you are doing? As per the design, provide the name to the class. It's always a good practice. Sometimes when you're integrating your design with other design, they are also designing, we are also designing. Our classes may override their design, or their classes may override our design. So to avoid this class conflict, we have to take some unique approach, unique names and don't worry, this I will tell you at the time of layout creation. How to take the rules and regulations of the classes and IDs. What is the best way? You can take anything, no problem. But why we cannot take anything? What are the rules and regulations for taking the class names, for taking the ID names? I will tell you in my final CSS session. At the time, we will create a CSS HTML layout website. At the time, I will tell you what is the best way of taking the class names. Right now, for practice purpose, you can take anything, no problem. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Like any other questions? Yeah, I'm stopping. Let's continue on Monday.